Good morning children. Hope you all are fine. In our last lecture we have discussed about second chapter of science, parts of plants. We have studied the two parts of plant, root and shoot system. More we have studied about taproot and fibrous root. Now today we will discuss about stem and leaf. Stem is the main part of the shoot system and grows above the ground. The other basic parts of plant, namely leaves, flowers and fruits, grow on the stem. Important function of stem are: it provides support for the plant and keeps it upright. It allows the leaves to reach sunlight that they need to produce food. Children, we see stem. This is stem. We see stem above the ground. Always, where is the stem is always above the ground. Stem bears leaves, flowers. It provides water and nutrients absorbed by the roots. Stem, what do you see in the stem? Leaves, flowers, fruits, and it provides nutrients absorbed by the roots to leaves and flowers. Stem also store food. Some stems are eaten by us as vegetables. It carries water and nutrients absorbed by the roots to leaves and other parts of plant. What is the function of stem? It carries water and nutrients absorbed by roots to leaves and other part of plant. Stems of some plants store food and are eaten as vegetables. Potato, ginger and sugarcane are examples. Stems can be soft or hard, weak or strong. Trees such as mango and coconut have thick, hard stem known as trunk. Shrubs are short, woody plants with several stems growing near the ground. Rose and bougainvillea are shrubs. Climbers are plants with weak stem that need some support to grow upright. For example, money plant and grapevine, pumpkin and watermelon. Plants have very weak and soft stem. These plants creep along the ground as they grow and are called creepers. Some stems are eaten by us. Some stems, children, we eat some stems like potato, ginger. We eat the stems as vegetables. Stem may be of different type like hard, woody, soft, weak or creepers. Each and every stem is of different type. Some stems are different, soft, or some are hard. Soft stems are known as shrubs or herbs, but the thick and woody stem is known as trunk. It is seen in trees like mango tree, banyan tree. In these there are stem, but they are thick. That's why they are known as trunk. And in shrubs and herbs, we see in shrubs the stems are brown in color, and in herbs the stems are green in color. Look at the picture. This is potato. This is ginger. We eat these vegetables. we eat this stems. Stems also store food. Some stems are eaten by us as vegetable, potato and ginger. Look at this picture. These stems are eaten by us like potato and ginger. Stem may be of different types like hard, woody, soft, weak or creepers. Hard and woody stem you can see in trees, and brown and some soft stem is observed in some bushes, whereas pumpkin, watermelon, they have weak stem. In pumpkin and watermelon, what are these? These are creepers. These stems are very weak, but trees have strong stems and shrubs have soft stems. Okay, now leaf. Leaves are of different shapes and size. Green leaves are the food making factory of plant. Children, see, these are leaves. Each leaf is of different shapes and size. You see this, every leaf is in different shapes and size, but the function of leaf is same. Leaves are known as food making factory. Look at this picture. You have seen many types of plants and many types of leaves around you all. Each and every leaf is of different shapes and size, but the function of leaf is same. It prepares its food by itself with the help of sunlight, air, water, and this process is known as photosynthesis. Some important function of the leaf. Green leaves contain chlorophyll, which helps to absorb light. Leaves are the site of food making process called photosynthesis, which uses light, water and air to make food. Leaves give out oxygen, a gas which is essential for all living things. Look at this picture, and I have also shown the leaves are of different shapes and size, but the function is same. It is the food making factory of a plant. Leaves of some plant store food. Cabbage, spinach and lettuce are some leafy vegetables we eat. The next part of the plant above the ground are leaves. The next part of the plant is the plant above the ground are leaves. Children, next part of the plant which we will study now are leaves. Leaves are the kitchen of a plant. They contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which can trap solar energy. The leaves, in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll, prepare their own food in the form of glucose and release oxygen. The process is known as photosynthesis. Leaves prepare food for the plant and they also store food. Leafy vegetables like cabbage, spinach are used by us as vegetables. Children, you eat spinach and cabbage. They are leafy vegetables which are eaten by us. Till now we have studied about leaves. Leaves are of different shapes and size. Green leaves are the food making factory of a plant. Green leaves contain chlorophyll which helps to absorb light. Leaves give out oxygen, a gas which is essential for all living things. I hope till now you have understood this chapter. Thank you.